resolve 2x square plus 3x plus 4 by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 into partial fractions. Students, when you observe the denominator is x minus 1 into x square plus 2. X minus 1 is linear factor. X square plus 2 is a factor of degree 2, second degree factor. But this x square plus 2 is not reduced, is not possible to reduce into linear factors. For example, another factor x square minus 1 is there. This can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1 is x square minus 1. But here the x square plus 2 cannot divide into small factors, x plus x linear factors. So this x square plus 2 is not possible to divide into linear factors. That means it is irreducible. Irreducible second degree. Irreducible means not reducible. Not reducible second degree. So if denominator contains irreducible second degree factor, we go for type 3. Third type. This is type 3. So what is the procedure in type 3? So first we take the fraction. Let 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2. First here x minus 1 is linear factor. We know the linear factor case a by x minus 1. Plus this one is x square plus 2, irreducible second degree factor. In case of irreducible second degree factor, so we write bx plus c in numerator. Bx plus c in numerator. Okay, bx plus c. So when we have a, b and c values, we get the answer. First take the LCM. 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 divided. Here LCM is x minus 1 into x square plus 2. A into x square plus 2 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. These two denominators cancel. Next 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to a into x square plus 2 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. This is an equation 2. Already we have one linear factor is there. X minus 1 is equal to 0. From this we get x value 1. First you substitute x value 1 in this equation. We get one constant value, either a or b or c. We will see x equal to 1. 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 4 is equal to a into 1 square plus 2. Next one plus b into 1 plus c. 1 minus 1, 0. So 2 into 1 square 2 plus 3 plus 4. 7 is equal to 1 square is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3a. 0 into something is 0. A is equal to 7 by 3. We got one value. A is equal to 7 by 3. So we get this value A. Now we want the values B and C. You observe this equation. There is no linear factor to substitute the value. So you observe this equation. So in equation 2, compare coefficient of x square. Here the left side is coefficient of x square is equal to 2. Here a coefficient of x square is equal to a into x square. A. So there is no x square coefficient. A into x square is a into 2a, that is purely constant. Next bx into x, bx square, that is constant is b. So bx into x, bx square. There is no another x square coefficient in that one. So coefficient of x square comparison is over. Implies 2 is equal to a value 7 by 3 plus b, implies b is equal to 2 minus 7 by 3, 3 2 are 6, 6 minus 7 by 3, this is minus 1 by 3. Another constant value also getting next to. So a is coming, b also over. Next we want the value of c. Once again you compare this equation. So you compare constants. Already one comparison is over. X square coefficient comparison is over. Another comparison, coefficient of x constant. You compare constants. In the left side constant is 4. Here constant a into 2, 2a. Here when you multiply with the bx term, we don't get constant term because x is there. Bx into x is bx square. Bx into minus 1 is b minus bx. So c into x is cx. C into minus 1 is minus c. So constants, left side compare constants. Here is 4 is equal to a into 2, 2a, c into minus 1, minus c. So we want the value of minus c, the c value. C is equal to 2a minus 4, 2 into, what is a? A is 7 by 3 minus 4, LCM 3, 14 minus 12. So finally c value 2 by 3. So we get all constant values. A is there, B is there, C is there. Finally substitute A comma B comma C values in 1. What is 1? 2x square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 2 is equal to, first a by x minus 1. A is 7 by 3 by x minus 1. Bx plus c. B means, so b is at here, minus 1 by 3 into x plus c, 2 by 3 by x square plus 2. So finally 7 by 3 into x minus 1. Now LCM is 3. LCM is 3. We write first constant value 2 minus x by 3 into x square plus 2. So first we write the constant 2. 2 is first place, minus in x, minus x. LCM is 3. 3 writing denominator's place. This is the solution. Square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square into partial fractions. Here the denominator is x square plus x plus 1 whole square. X square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. It is a second degree factor. There is no possibility to reduce this one. So it is irreducible second degree factor. Irreducible second degree factor, and also it is repeated. It is repeated. So we use type 2 and type 3 both methods here. Type 2 and type 3 both methods. So because x square plus x plus 1 is irreducible second degree factor, that is type 3. This whole square, that means it comes 2 times. So let x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to, first irreducible, ax plus b by ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. It is an equation. After getting the values a, b, c, d, we substitute in that. First we take LCM. X square plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to, here also we take LCM. X square plus x plus 1 whole square. On x square plus x plus 1 is cancelled. Ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. These two are cancelled. So we get x square plus 1 is equal to ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. So in this equation, this is an equation 2. Like coefficients means similar, because this side x cube coefficient is this side also x cube coefficient. Compare that one. X square quotient comparison. X quotient comparison. After comparisons, we get the values A, B, C, D. So compare like coefficients in equation 2. So first, coefficient of x cube. In left side there is no x cube coefficient, that is 0. Right side ax into x square, ax cube, that is a. Ax into x square, ax cube, that is a. Ax into x, ax square, ax into 1, ax. B into x square, bx square. Here also no x cube coefficients. So after comparison, coefficient of x cube, the left side is 0, right side is ax into x square, purely ax cube. So 0 is equal to a. Implies a value 0, 1 value. Next, coefficient of x square. So here left side, coefficient of x square is equal to 1. The right side, ax into x square, ax cube. This is x cube coefficient, leave it. Ax into x, ax square, ax into x, ax square. Coefficient is a. Ax into 1, that is ax, x coefficient, leave it. B into x square, bx square, plus b. So cx plus d, there is no x square coefficient. 1 is equal to a plus b, implies 1 is equal to 0 plus b. Finally, we get b value is equal to 1. Next, coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. In left side, there is no x term. That means coefficient of x is equal to 0. In right side, ax into 1. We want x coefficient. This is x term. When you multiply the x with constant, we get x term. Ax into 1. A. So ax into 1 is a. B into x. B into x plus b. We want x coefficient. Cx plus c. Already we have some values. A is 0. B is 1. C. C is equal to minus 1. The final value we want constant d value. So for that, compare constants. Compare constants. Here left side constant is 1. Right side, to get constant, you multiply the constant term with again constant. So b into 1, b plus d implies 1 is equal to, what is the value of b? 1 plus d. So these 1 cancel, b value 0. We get all values a, b, c, d. Finally, when you substitute a, b, c, d values here, we get the partial fractions. Solve a comma b comma c comma d values in 1. So x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to ax plus b. 0 into x plus b means b value is minus 1, a value is 0 by x square plus x plus 1. C value minus 1. Minus 1 into x plus d 0 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. 0 into 1 x. 0 into x 0. So 1 by x square plus x plus 1 minus x by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Problem is over. Resolve x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square into partial fractions. Already we discussed this problem in descriptive method. So we will solve this now in shortcut method. So this one is x square plus 1. Okay, here numerator is observed is here x square, numerator is x square plus 1, denominator is x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So here is x square plus 1 and also this one. By observing, I will try to write a numerator in terms of denominator. Like x square plus 1 is there, I write this x square plus x plus 1 minus x divided by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Okay, when plus x minus x both are cancelled, we get x square plus 1, that is numerator. So after that we divide these two values with this separately. X square plus x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 whole square minus x divided by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So this one and this whole square cancel, we get 1 by x square plus x plus 1 minus x by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. This is simple method. Resolve x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 divided by x square plus 1 whole cube into partial fractions. In denominator, x square plus 1 is there. X square plus 1 is irreducible second degree factor. But this comes 3 times, x square plus 1 whole cube. So actually this is irreducible and repeated factor. So this can be written as ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus cx plus b by x square plus 1 whole square. The ex plus f by, because it comes 3 times, ex plus f by x square plus 1 whole cube. Here the unknown values are a, b, c, d, e and f. To find all those values, we take some comparisons. So after few steps we will get that one. But this also, when you observe this, denominator is irreducible factor, it is repeated. But only irreducible factor is there. But in the left side, in the other, in multiplication, there is no x plus 1, there is no x minus 1. Another factors is not there. Only one irreducible factor is there. In this case, already we discussed in the type 1 method. So we can solve this. Let x square plus 1 is equal to y. Implies x square is equal to y minus 1. Completely this fraction convert into y terms. First, x power 4. X power 4. X square means y minus 1. X power 4 means y minus 1 whole square. I will repeat once again. Here is x square is y minus 1. X power 4 means x square whole square. That is y minus 1 whole square. Plus 24. X square is y minus 1. Plus 28 divided by x square plus 1 y cube. So y minus 1 whole square, y square, a minus b whole square formula, y square minus 2y plus 1 plus 24y minus 24 plus 28 divided by y cube. Now y square minus 2y plus 24y, that is 22y. 1 minus 24 minus 23 plus 28, 5 divided by y cube. So dividing separately, y square by y cube plus 22y by y cube plus 5 by y cube. Y square by y cube is 1 by y. Okay, 22y by y cube is 22 by y square, 5 by y cube as this. Now what is the value of y? X square plus 1. So 1 by x square plus 1 plus 22 by x square plus 1 whole square plus 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. This is simple method in comparing with the previous method.